So we are here, guys. We just arrived at Golden Hills. It's everything you see behind me right now. We're gonna go and meet Anna at the Penthouse show home, and she's gonna tell us all about the development. Let's go. Hey, Anna.
Hi, Kian.
Hey, how are you?
Welcome. Good. How are you?
We're so excited to have a look at this this penthouse in Golden Hills. It's amazing. So Anna, what I would like to show them is this penthouse, this beautiful penthouse. Look at some other options that you have for sale. All these apartments come like this, Anna. They're all open plan. Is that correct?
Yes, correct. So everything you see here will be included, excluding the furniture. We use great Italian material for our kitchens,
Okay, lovely.
which are being used also in Finca Yasmin Villas, if
Oh,
you're
wow.
aware of those.
Yes, I know the development very well. Top quality.
Yes, they do. And we have Miele appliances for all our properties.
Great. So I can just imagine, like basically the penthouse we have right now, this is the concept, no? Like open plan, you cooking, looking over the dining, the lounge area, you have nice sea views. Very high ceilings, no? Let's have a look at the terrace. This is what it's all about, outdoor living. That's what everyone wants.
Exactly. So all of our penthouses have sea views.
Okay,
We have 40 properties in total.
okay,
20 of them are ground floor units and 20 of them are penthouses. All the penthouses have 3 bedrooms and 3 bathrooms, and all the ground floors have 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms.
And in terms of like sizes, what's like the square meterage?
So this particular one is 201 square meters, and the ground floor unit downstairs would be 277. As you see, our project is a renovation project.
That's actually a really good point, because we're going to throw the drone out to show what it looks like at the moment, and people go, hey, that looks like it's an old building
Yes,
that they're renovating, right? So
Exactly.
great point to explain, absolutely.
And that's why we actually have 7% tax rate instead of the 10, so that's a good thing.
Because this is being built in 2009 originally, when you buy a property in Golden Hills, it's not subject to VAT tax, it's subject to ITP, no? Which means
Correct.
that on a 600,000 euro transaction, by buying in Golden Hills, you're saving on average around 18,000 euros.
Correct.
Happy days.
We have 2 phases for the delivery dates.
Okay.
First phase would be block 1, which we're in right now.
Okay.
And on my left side, that would be block 2.
Okay.
They will both finish by the end of May, beginning June.
This year.
Yes, this year.
Fantastic.
And another one, which is block 3 in front of us, will finish December 2025. So everything will be finished this year.
That's amazing. Okay, let's have a look at the rest. Let's have a look at these beautiful bedrooms.
Sure.
By the way, I love this staircase. Like it's super, like, you know, see-through staircase,
It is.
floating.
I love it
Stunning.
too. It's really nice.
Stunning. Okay, so this is on 2 levels. Let's start having a look at the bedrooms. I'll follow you.
Here we have a master bedroom for our penthouse. This particular one has been sold.
Okay.
So the client wanted the bathtub.
So this is not standard.
This is not standard,
Okay.
but we're open to the customization, obviously.
Fair enough.
So
I mean, that's a hell of a statement
It
right
is,
there. no?
right?
Everyone's got their own thing. So normally you'd have some sort of wall here and you'd have an independent
yes,
bathroom. Is that right?
normally you have an independent bathroom, which we could see downstairs.
Okay, perfect.
So here you have a great view.
Also, like, you know, you have access to the terrace, which is lovely.
You have an access to the
built-in
terrace.
closets. It's quite airy, nice. So this bedroom is currently empty,
Yes.
but this would be a bed. This will be a bedroom for a double bed, basically. You have a
Correct.
bedroom of 150 more or less, and this is the bathroom that this bedroom would use, but also the bathroom for guests. No,
This is,
Nice.
yes, correct.
lovely, beautiful.
This will come as you see it, and we actually have options for the bathrooms. Instead of the wood, you could have porcelain, either black or light
Stunning.
colors.
Stunning. I'm excited to see what's upstairs.
Let's see.
So this is the 3rd bedroom.
This is the 3rd bedroom for a penthouse, and you have a 3rd bathroom for
Nice.
this penthouse, which is the option I was talking about, the porcelain one.
Yeah. And then you have access to this beautiful solarium, no?
Then you have access to this
Wow.
terrace.
This is what it's about, no?
and an amazing view.
The distribution between a ground floor and a penthouse is so different, no? What we'll do is we'll do a sped up version of the ground floor, so our audience can have a look at what they look like. But I would say, from my experience, looking at them when we first saw them a few moments ago, the biggest difference is that the ground floors have more outdoor space on the ground floor.
True.
That's right,
That's
no?
right.
And they have more of a pool than a hot tub.
Yes, true.
Right? Lovely.
Every ground floor comes with a pool, private pool, and every penthouse comes with a jacuzzi.
Yeah, amazing. I buy a property in Golden Hills. What amenities come with it in the community?
So we've got amazing landscape gardens, outdoor shared pool, a fully equipped gym, and a co-working space. And
Perfect.
obviously we're gonna have 24/7 security.
Great. So something that our viewers won't recognize, but I will mention it, is normally when you buy a property which is new construction, you're buying a property in an area that's not consolidated. The nice thing about this area, this is fully consolidated.
True.
So you're buying a new construction in a super consolidated area at a good price point, which is really interesting. So Anna, we've seen Golden Hills, we've seen the penthouse, and we've just seen the ground floor. So for our audience watching this video, they must be asking themselves the most important question, and that is, what's the starting price at the moment in Golden Hills?
So the starting price for penthouses would be $659, and for the ground floors it would be $795.
Wow. So from 659,000 euros for a penthouse in this complex in the consolidated area of El Paraíso, New Golden Mile with these qualities. If you guys are interested, come and have a look.